In this video, we'll be learning about some aptitude type question. So the topic that I have taken is work and time. So the question is, A can do work in 15 days and B can do work in 20 days. If they work on it together, that means to complete a work, A will take 15 days and B will take 20 days. That means in one day A will complete 1 by 15th part of work and B will complete 1 by 20th part of work. So if they both work together means A plus B. That is A plus B is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20, which will be equal to 7 by 60. This is the part of work that they can do if both work together in one day. So the question they have asked is for 4 days. If both can work for 4 days, that means one day we got 7 by 60. So in 4 days means into 4, which will be equal to 7 by 15. This is the part of work that they can complete in 4 days. Now they have asked what is the fraction of work that is left. That means the whole work we can take as 1 minus 7 by 15. So which will be equal to 8 by 15. This is the part of work that is left that has to be done.